Hello my friends. So I'm in the middle of filming a couple of videos and my hip kit came, and there's something very different about this hip kit from the ones I've ever gotten. The thing that's different about it is that this is the very first time I've ever just gotten the main kit. And there's a couple reasons why. A, I keep not finishing up things for my kit. So my thought was I can just add to it if I need to. And secondly, I love putting my own kits together so much that I've been kind of loving that so much that I thought I would just do that for a little while. And if I somehow got low on supplies, which I'd be shocked about, I will come right back. So I thought I would share this with you. Like I said, this is just the main kit, which means I'll only have one of each piece of paper, and I always have two of each. So it's going to be kind of fun to pick and choose and decide which way I want to go with this. All right, so the first piece of paper that I want to tell you about, it is called One Fine Day by Pinkfresh. And let's see, it says something just a little lovely, really small right here. So it's a great watercolor. It's got distress already on it, and then it kind of feels like it has an overlay of these gorgeous tropical kinds of flowers, and it really also feels like I want to fussy cut them, but we'll see what happens. And now this side is really cool. It would be absolutely fun to watercolor your own flowers and cut them out to use as embellishments. So that's fun. The next one that I get to talk to you about is called Mosaic Tile by it's Bella Boulevard Home Sweet Home. And it's a really nice goldenrod yellow. And okay, and the other side, it just looks pretty much like tile in the goldenrod yellow color, but I think this is the A side. Next, we have another one from the Pinkfresh collection called New Thoughts. So this is kind of cool. It is not a true sky blue. It's going more towards that nice, like, washed out denim color I love so much. And then we have a magenta flower on top, a lot of the white showing through. And this side is just a super easy to use background. It is stunning, actually. All right, so I'll go like that. Next we have from Dear Lizzie, It's All Good, Let's Flamingo. And it's cute and hilarious and perfect for summer layouts. And the other side, which I might like to back a photo, but I really don't like it. Reminds me of old school telephone cords, like, you know what I mean? Like going like that. Anyway, great. Love the little branding strip being a bright orange, so I can maybe bring in another color, but for now, I think that's our A side. This is Pinkfresh Studio Possibility. So great, easy to use watercolor background. And this looks like almost like a periwinkle, between periwinkle and denim tile. That's gorgeous. Reminds me of Spain for some reason. Now this is Best Summer Ever by Echo Park. Very nice, bright, bold color, but really good for spring too. So it's not necessarily just a summer page. And look at this, a slender stripe. They don't look absolutely perfect. Now I don't know if you can see, but like right here, like you can see like slightly deeper tones of the pink, so it's not just an absolutely typical looking stripe. There's a little bit more to it, and I think that's pretty cool. All right, I've seen this piece of paper before. Okay, it's Webster's Pages, Love is in the Air Rainbows. This is a really great apricot plaid, and then we have a rainbow of rainbows, which is pretty fun. And then lastly, this is the same collection by Webster's Pages called Happy Day. Really gorgeous diagonal. And then the other color, our other side, is a bunch of cut-aparts. So that will make it slightly tricky to decide. Look at this little guy. I like him best. I have a thing for birds. I like him. He's adorable. Okay, so I have that. So I'm going to show you. Here's my A sides. Let me get it all in there. A sides. And with a little whoosh, there are the B sides. So very interesting, very interesting. All right, so next what I'm going to go ahead and show you is, let's do fun stuff. Okay, Alphas. These are Pink Fresh Studio, Just a Little Lovely collection. Puffy Alpha stickers. And they're really nice, just true white. It's really getting gloomy outside, so I'm not getting enough light from behind me, by the way. But it's a nice, bright, true white block. And it's all alphas, no numbers. Yay! Okay, so you get lots and lots and lots. Look at the E's, my friends. Look at the E's. All right, so we have that. So that's my alpha. Now, for puffy phrase stickers. Now, this is cool. So this is taking care of some title work here. Gorgeous. So, and they look watercolored. It says, let's make sure I'm really in frame. Fun you day. So I guess you get a fun day, happy day. Memories. It has lovely. Now we have some gorgeous watercolor florals in there as well for an extra little bit of embellishing, which I think is the bee's knees. So the back side, we have joyful moment, so maybe a joyful moment. Grow, carefree, enjoy, and sweet, with more of these gorgeous watercolor floral touches. Yes, 50 of these would be fine. Next we have, let's see, oh, Saturday afternoon from One Canoe 2. Interesting. I picked up some of this collection recently from Tuesday morning, and I did not see these, so this is cool. I love this little hot air balloon here. It's on just a spring green background, but the hot air balloon itself is like a goldenrod yellow. The little word joy. They're quite dimensional, so chances are, can you see that? Chances are I'm going to have to take the foamy bits off the very back, unless I use it in a card. All right, very cool. Those are gorgeous. All right, so Pink Fresh Studios, again, these are puffy stickers, and there's a couple of large elements, but there's some really nice little ones to use too. So how cool that they're not all just massive. We can get some good use out of them. There's words in here, my choice, laugh more, be brave, happy, incredible. But there's also some little arrow bits, a heart, some nice words. Happiness is always an inside job. Very cool. Those are cool. And then lastly, we have this little collection here. Let's see, Hip Kit Club exclusive. So I think what I might do is go ahead. I'm going to slip these back into the envelope, and then I'm going to go ahead and put them all out on my board and go from there, because I really want you to be able to see them. So hold up one second. I told you a story. I thought if I really like something, I'm going to want to bring it up. So here, let me do this first so you can get a nice representation of the cute stuff in there. And then I'm going to go ahead and open it and show you all the pieces. And seeing the reason why is I normally have a really long haul, but I only have the one kit. So I can show you, well, there is a watermelon popsicle that's going to stay in there, as well as a heart. I don't know what color the heart is. We have a little tiny red heart down here that jumped off, and this word together in navy. Let's see. Oh, another heart. They're jumping off. So these are matching beautifully, of course they are, with the kit colors. I'm adoring this navy that's in here. Cute little watermelon guy and strawberries and flowers. Cute. A nice full ice cream cone. It looks like Ray's ice cream. Remember, look how big that thing is. So we've got some letters, and I'm feeling like they spell summer. A nice little floral tab. A lemonade stand. How cute is that little thing? In a great citron or lime green. A cute little drinky poo with an umbrella. More flowers. This cute little navy piece says Tropical Sunfruit brand. It's a cute little guy, and there's a banner stuck to the back. So another navy little piece. Nice lime green on that. I have a circle here. It says Fruit Sun Costa Rica. Cute. Little little shells and hearts. I was looking at these funny little cat eye sunnies, and they're so cute. And the inside of the sunglasses are navy, and the outside it's like an orchid pink. Cute. Some cherries. Oh, look at this little coconut drinky poo. Cute. Makes me want to go to like a tropical restaurant. Little camera action. We have tabs, an orange slice, a little sunscreen. These are cute. Looks like a donut or a donut floaty and a starfish. Another cute popsicle. You might send me on some activities for the summer. Ah, this little thing of flowers, cute. More signs, cute little drinky poos. Oh, limes. This says just what we needed. A great Instax camera. Another bouquet, all kinds of little word pieces. Oh, that's more of the summer word. Cute little swim trunks here. Let's see what's on this one. Vacation, swim trunks. Oh, and a really deep purple that says, "We love summer." So cute. Cute little Vespa, which I don't even know if they're called Vespas anymore. Who's to say? This is so good. So we have lots of word things, popsicles, flip-flops. Oh, look. Looks like a pretty mauve-y, peachy beach. Cute. So I think they hit it out of the ballpark again with their exclusive pieces. Oh, that's what I was wanting to see. I have a thing for these little campers that pertain to nothing in my life. I just love them. These look like the top of beach umbrellas, so those would be kind of fun to have like a cool little element on your page. Summer vibes. So the thing I can definitely tell you is these are ever so summery. I could use them in other ways, of course, because I always find a way to do that. I mean, you can use a cool little camera and the word hooray and voila, you know, on something very easily. And all of these cute little fruit pieces, you can use those on a cute spring layout or whatnot. But let me tell you, I am digging them. I'm digging that there's all kinds of little bits because right now there is a huge phase in scrapbooking manufacturing to have gigantic honking die cuts. So I appreciate truly having a few different sizes to play with. You know, I don't want them all large. I want to be able to pop some up. I want to be able to put a little bit of a glossy accents on some or whatnot, but I don't need it to be like 5 inches on my page. Anywho, that is the main kit for this month's Hip Kit. I hope you like this layout. I'm going to sign off because I have some videos to do, and I will see you soon. Oh, if you want to go ahead and like and subscribe down below, I would appreciate it. And right there is a notification bell. So if you do want to be notified when I have a layout come up, just go ahead and click that, and it being YouTube will let you know. Okay, bye friends.